Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we'll have a look at these little tattoos, and yeah, I think they are being sold as children's tattoos, but I think some of these designs could also fit for adults, and you can experiment around with them. There's quite a bunch, as you can see here, and yeah, just feel free to check them out. Maybe there's something you like, and then you can actually, yeah, try that out yourself. Maybe if you are thinking about getting one or something like that, definitely the possibility here to, yeah, play a little around. I like these, for example, they're really mature. And there's also like some others that I'm not sure what they are for. Um, Nice looking snake, definitely. Um, so I'll throw that in this pile. A bunch of small ones. I think some of the small ones are definitely too detailed to be an actual tattoo or so, but that's just my thoughts. Check them out. Maybe, as I said, maybe there's something you can get out of them and be creative. Um, yeah, and it's kind of what this is all about, after all, right? So feel free to browse through and see if you have any, yeah, designs you like that you want to try out. I think it is good enough, and especially to just see how tattoos would look on you, and they don't look too fake, to be honest. I can't really complain about that at all. So yeah, I guess that's what this is all about. We got a bunch of flowers in this set here, so yeah, check that. That's something you want to have a look at. And then I think we could call this probably a day already. So yeah, until the next time, you guys, I will see you around. My name is Badger, and yeah, feel free to check the last ones. I will leave you with that. So yeah, bye bye, you guys.